Hi everyone, Donut here. I heard you guys like shooting breakdowns and I got a pretty intense one here to show you. May 17th, 2020, 3 p.m. Pasco Police got word that two dudes wanted for murder, Juan and Miguel, had went back to the murder scene, broke into the house they murdered a dude at, and started shooting the occupants of the house, seriously wounding two of them. They fled the scene, carjacked someone at gunpoint, and locked them in the trunk of their own car. The person in the trunk managed to escape from the trunk and call police. Police found out where the suspects were holed up and surrounded the house. They saw that police were surrounding the house, so they scooted out the back and ran into two officers' armored rifles. Officer Glass and Fox, which sounds like a cool new buddy cop TV show. Glass and Fox, gun battle in the alley. The suspects were armed with pistols and immediately opened fire on the officers. Rifle versus pistol, what do you guys think happened? Glass and Fox didn't hesitate. They immediately started throwing the hate right back at them and dropped one of them.
Hands up! Hands up! Two suspects down, one still firing.
Yeah, shots.
Stop moving! He's reloading. Shoot him, he's reloading.
Put the gun down! Watch crossfire!
Drop the gun! Jesus Christ. One down. Hey, where'd one go? I think he went north. Hey, we got one down here. Maybe one ran north. Miguel, I think.
2 suspects down. I got two suspects down.
I can't see the second one.
Hey guys, I'm coming at you from the west in the alley by the suspects. Coming up.
Juan just ran out the back window on the east side.
Right here you can see one of the suspects drop on the left. The other suspect is to the right of him laying on the ground.
Two suspects down, one still firing.
Officer Fox saw him reloading on the ground and put a couple controlled shots into him.
Stop moving! Show me your hands!
Shoot him, he's reloading.
Put the gun down! Drop the gun! Jesus Christ.
Suspect on the right fired one more shot and the fight was over. One of them died on scene and the other was in serious condition. And now for the pucker factor of the video. Officer Glass crosses directly into Officer Fox's line of fire. I'm very glad that he crouched down and did a little duck walk in front of him. That could have ended pretty bad. We talk about that all the time though, you know, not hating on him or anything. We all know that from watching these, in these situations, in these extremely fast developing dynamic situations, sometimes it's hard to know what your surroundings are. So yes, glad that he crouched right there. Well, that's all I have for you fine people today. Please come hang out at twitch.tv/donutoperator where I'll be as soon as this video is released. I have a Patreon, I have merch at Bunker Branding, all that good stuff. Everybody please have a fantastic day.
Whacker.